welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a very interesting and kind of you should all do it video. So today I'm gonna share with you my vision board 2019. So what is a vision board? Vision board is something where you put down your goals and your aspirations, and more specifically you put down the pictures related to them. Your goals can be anything, no matter what it is, put it on your vision board. Your goals can be anything, like you want to learn car driving this year, or you want to go out trekking this year. It can be anything, whatever it is. Find pictures related to it on Google and put it down on your vision board. So all you have to do is find out your goals and jot it down in a diary, and then search for pictures related to them on the internet. Take printout, always take colored printouts, because colored printouts are always visually more pleasing. And then paste the pictures on a board and hang it or keep it in a place where you can see it every time you enter the room. So what will happen in that way is you will be motivated to work up to your goals, because they will be right in front of your eyes. So I have so many goals and aspirations in 2019, and in this video I will show you what I will do to fulfill them. But before moving on to the video, if you are here on my channel for the first time, and if you are watching my videos for the first time, please take a moment to subscribe and be a part of my small family. Also, if you are liking this video, don't forget to put a big fat thumbs up. And now let's dive into the video and let me show you how you can make your vision board. So basically, for making a vision board, all you need is a chart paper, a pair of scissors, some glue or sellotape, and the picture printout of your goals. So I have printed the pictures in photo paper. You can also print it in normal A4 paper. And now just cut all the printouts. Now all you have to do is just write 2019 on top of the page, and just leave boundary like this, so that when you frame it, it will be easier. And then just lay down and arrange the cutouts like so. Arrange them first and then glue them individually. In that way it becomes a lot easier. So this becomes your vision board, and I love putting a quote in the middle, and this year my quote is "Go get what you dream of." So this stays in the middle. Then starting from this corner, I want to eat healthy every week. So I have put healthy every week challenge. And this year I want to reach at least 20,000 subscribers in YouTube. So there that goes. And also I want to reach 10,000 Instagram followers. So I have taken printout like this and put it here. And I also want to take extra care of my skin and hair this year. So I have put it here. And I also want to bloom as an interior designer again this year. So here it goes. And also I want to become an Instagram influencer very soon. And I want to collaborate with a brand very soon, with a makeup or lifestyle brand obviously. So anyone from any brand watching me right now, please do consider me. And then here I have couple goals. I want to spend more quality time with my husband and my family. And then I want to lose at least 20 kgs this year and go back to my previous shape. By the way, I'm not 85 now. And for monetary things, I want to make a profit of at least 5 lakhs this year. And I also want to launch a product this year. So yay, get ready for some launching happening this year. And then I want to save at least 2 lakhs this year. So I have got a picture like this and written 2 lakhs in it. And then I want this vanity to be there in my bedroom very soon. This is gonna happen real soon. And lastly, I wanna start driving my car. I mean, I have a license, I can drive, but I still don't drive. So this year I am gonna drive myself. I have put a little bit of blank space here and there so that I can put some one-liners of my choice here. So my vision board is kind of ready. I have glued all the pictures and also have written some one-liners and some quotes here and there. And so here I have written I am a money magnet, and here below 2019 I have written this is your year. And then here I have written become so financially secure that you forget that it's your payday. And then this is the goal of the year. Go become the you of your dreams. I have written it on a post-it paper. And then all you have to do is just frame it and display it somewhere where you can see it every time. Like this. And look at it every single day and look at it with determination to do something. You just can't have your vision board in front of your eyes and not do anything. You have to work hard towards your goals, and this vision board will ensure you that you don't forget your goals at any point of time. And always remember, your dreams can be anything. Break your boundaries, dream big, and come up with a very gorgeous vision board, and you will be all set to rock 2019. I hope this video was motivational for you. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye-bye, and love you. And here I would like to quote a very motivational line from one of my favorite movie. अगर किसी चीज को तुम दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात जुड़ जाती है उसे तुमसे मिलाने के लिए.